Introducing the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker, your ultimate solution for elevating your ice experience. In a fast-paced world, convenience is key. Imagine having a steady supply of ice, ready at your fingertips, no matter the occasion. With an impressive 44 pounds of daily ice production, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker ensures you're never without ice. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual ice trays. But it's not just about quantity, it's about speed. Experience the convenience of quick ice making, with just 15 to 20 minutes to enjoy your favorite chilled beverages. Intuitive controls and bright indicator lights guide you through the process. With a simple touch, you're on your way to a refreshing glass of ice. And here's the best part. The free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker operates at a remarkable noise level of under 48 decibels. No disruptive background hum, just the soothing sounds of silence. Cleaning? A breeze. Activate the automatic self-cleaning mode with a press and hold of a button. No more tedious scrubbing, just sparkling clean ice, effortlessly. Designed with your space in mind, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker's compact and stylish design seamlessly integrates into your kitchen, impressing guests and enhancing your home's ambiance. Upgrade your ice experience today with the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker. Elevate your chilling and entertaining with innovation, style, and performance. Say goodbye to traditional ice trays and welcome the future of ice making. Visit the link in the video description to bring the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker into your life today. Elevate your ice game with the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker.